Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be replacing an oven light, and this is on just a Frigidaire regular oven. It's going to be the same for most ovens. So let's zoom in and see how it works. The bulb is going to be housed in a glass shroud either in the upper right or upper left corner. So that shroud is held on by a metal ring. We just move that ring out of the way and then that glass globe can come off. At that point we can just unscrew the light bulb. So we have our new bulb. I have it here, and I'll put a link to this on Amazon. This is a specially rated bulb made just for ovens because it's in a really high heat environment. Now we're gonna take a small extra precaution when putting the new bulb in, and that is that we're gonna hold it with a paper towel. We don't wanna get any extra oils on it from our hands. With it being in a really high heat environment, that's one more thing that can break down the glass and possibly at some point get to the filament and decrease the life of the bulb. So another small step we're gonna take. Let's go ahead and spin this in. While we have this cover off, we went ahead and cleaned it up. That just lets the light shine a little bit brighter in the oven. So we can go ahead and stick this on and bring our metal cover around. Hook that into place and then swing it up over the glass globe. That's it for today. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell to be notified about future videos.